It's hurricane time. Whoa. This is crazy. It died down a little bit. It will... Oh, wow. Oops. Oh, wait, that's the camera. Oh. So... It's... Well, that's thunder, right? That's thunder right there. Up there is really windy. Look over there. What? Oh, it's getting a little bit windy. Oh, I'm getting wet. What? Oh my gosh, my screen's wet. Hold up. Oh my gosh. My screen is wet. Oh god. Whoa. This hurricane is not good. Why is it so dark over here? Why is my camera dark? Oh, there's water on it. Oh, no, there's water on it. Oh my gosh. It's so dark. Hold up. I don't know why my camera's dark like that. Oh. Whoa. It's wet, though. Ooh, look at that. You can't see it on camera, but rain is shooting. Like, wow. Look, guys, we're in Alabama, alright? Not much hurricanes come here. Louisiana is right now in Louisiana. It's packed with hurricanes. Hurricanes coming here. My trampoline. That's not good. Well, I'm gonna end the video. I might make another video on this, maybe. But right now, we're gonna end it. Bye.